In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload video to Clickfunnels 2.0. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go inside your account, how to upload your videos, and how to make sure they're saved correctly so you can use them in your courses and lessons. First, let's get to the right area inside Clickfunnels. Starting from your main Clickfunnels dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. There, you'll see an option labeled Workspace Settings. Go ahead and click on Workspace Settings. This is where you manage a lot of the behind-the-scenes assets for your account, including your videos. Once you're inside Workspace Settings, look for the section called My Assets. Click on My Assets. This is essentially your media library area, where different types of files connected to your workspace are organized. Inside My Assets, you'll see different tabs for various asset types. You want to find and click on the tab labeled Course Videos. Go ahead and select the Course Videos tab. This is the dedicated space for all the videos you plan to use inside your courses and lessons. Keeping these videos here helps keep your content organized and makes it easier to attach them later when you're building out your curriculum. Now that you're in the Course Videos tab, it's time to upload your videos. Look for a button that says Upload Course Video. Click on that button. In some layouts, you may also see a prompt that says Click to select videos. Either option will open up a file browser window on your computer. In this file browser, navigate to the folder where you've stored your video content. You can choose a single video or select multiple files at once, up to 10 videos at a time. This is useful if you're uploading an entire series of lessons in one go. Once you've highlighted the video or videos you want to upload, click Open. After you click Open, the upload process will begin. The time this takes will depend on the size and number of your video files, as well as your internet connection. You'll typically see some indication that the upload is in progress. Try not to close the window or navigate away while this is happening. When the upload is complete, you'll have the option to click View Uploaded Videos. Click that to confirm your videos are now listed in your assets. Finally, to make sure everything is properly stored, look for the Save button and click Save. This step ensures your changes are committed and your newly uploaded videos are ready to be used in your Clickfunnels 2.0 courses.